Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. Your girl truly does appreciate it. I just want to say that if you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that little subscribe button that you see pop up right on the screen, along with the post notification bell. That way you are aware of any single time that I do post. Right now I'm posting things that have to do with beauty, lifestyle, self-care, and of course an occasional vlog. If you are interested in seeing anything, of course, do let me know. And also, like always, I do want to send my love, many positive vibes and blessings, prayers to everybody out there. I hope that you and yours are staying as healthy and as safe as possible throughout these crazy times right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into this. As you can see by the description title, the video today will be on BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe. So this is what the box looks like. If you do not know what BoxyLuxe is, it's basically an upgrade to BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription. Basically, it gives you lifestyle, some like home stuff, but mostly beauty stuff and self-care for $25 a month. This one is basically once a quarter, so you get it every few months, and it's an additional $28.99 to that $25. So for this month, you'll be paying like $49.99, I believe, but it comes from anywhere from 9 to 10 products, and I think that it's supposed to be above $250, the whole MSRP. So that's pretty cool. So this is what the box looks like for this month. If you have not seen the BoxyCharm Premium, I will go ahead and link it up here for you guys because I did film that. I'm sorry that this one is so late. Lately, they've been sending me the boxes like very scattered throughout the month. Like I'm not getting them the same day or even the same week. So that's why this one is so late. But anyway, this is what the box is looking like in here. And just like the BoxyCharm Premium, it looks like the theme on this one is glam vibes only. This is what the little card looks like. This card tells you all the products along with how much they cost, and of course a little bit about the products. The number on this box is 114. And for those of you guys that want to know the box number, I mean not the box number, the box weights, this one is 2.8 pounds. That's pretty heavy as well. All right, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing that I see right here is a beautiful palette. I did see this one being like featured on their BoxyCharm. This is a palette. Let me see. Okay, there we go. The brand is Hip Dot. I wanted to confirm that, but it is Hip Dot, and it's called the Zion Eyeshadow Palette. All right, so this palette, I did see pictures of it, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Here's what the packaging looks like. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, but I will not be swatching this one or even trying it on because I will be putting it in my giveaway. So I'm just going to show you guys. It does have a mirror, but these are what the colors look like. They're gorgeous. They're very beautiful fall colors. Got like some plums, a little bit of mauve tones, some shimmers. It's absolutely gorgeous. If I find the swatches, I will post them somewhere over here for you guys. That way you guys can take a look at how it actually looks like. The palette does look gorgeous. It retails at no, that's not it. It retails at $30. So yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I will post them right there, and just be aware that my 1K giveaway is hopefully coming around the corner, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. That way you can possibly win this palette. All right guys, moving on to something else that I have over here. This is by the brand Fenty Beauty, and this is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. So this one is in the shade Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. All right, so this is what the little Fenty packaging looks like. It's really pretty. It's kind of like iridescent color. Ooh, this is cute. It does have your little mirror, and those are what the colors look like. I hope you can see them. I know it's kind of hard with the lighting, but that's what they are. So let me go ahead and see. This one right here is Afternoon Snack. Okay, so Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey right there. I really hope you guys can see this because the lighting is crazy. Okay, so anyway, the colors are really pretty. Babe, what's up? Hi. You good? Anyway. Okay, so the colors are really pretty on that one. I do believe, hold on, that one retails at $36. So that's good to know. Next on here, we have something by the brand Milk Makeup. And I know that this was a choice that I did pick for this box. This is called the Melatonin Overnight Serum, and it retails at $36. Basically, it says that it's a serum that rejuvenates, hydrates, and calms you. That way, when you wake up in the morning, you have bouncier, healthier skin, all that good stuff. I don't know how accurate it is. I'm fairly new to trying milk products on, but I have heard nothing but good things. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a little deodorant or something like that. It's lavender color. It's really pretty packaging. It opens like this, and if I remember correctly, you're supposed to bump this up and take the top off. Hold up. There it is. Okay, it kind of has that lavender smell. Yeah, definitely. There's no tint to it at all. It's nice and, ooh, it's nice. It just feels like a moisturizer, like a very, very thin moisturizer. I'm very excited to try this one on because, like I said, I'm new to the products and I've never actually tried a melatonin toner. So we'll go ahead and try that one out. Now we're gonna move over here to something by the brand Persona. No, hold on. Oh yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, I can never find them on this thing. So this is by the brand Persona Cosmetics and it's called Season 1 Lip Gloss. This one is in the color Honey and I'm gonna go ahead and try to open it very gently because I am also gonna be throwing this one in the giveaway. Ooh, that's actually very, very pretty. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. Once again, if I am able to find a picture of the swatch for this color, I will post it somewhere here for you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside right now because I do want to go ahead and put that in the giveaway as well. I'm trying to make 2 different giveaway boxes, I guess you could say, for my subscribers. So that way, you know, I can kind of share it instead of having like one huge one. So I'm trying to make sure that they have like a variety of stuff. So speaking of adding stuff to the giveaway, the next thing in this box, in case I didn't tell you guys, this one does retail at $16. Sorry about that. Okay, speaking of things that are going in the giveaway, this next one is by the brand Pure, the Complexion Authority, and this one retails at $49. It's basically a signature travel essentials 12-piece cruelty brush set. So I love these little things. I actually have one by the brand Luxe. This is what it looks like, and basically you clip the sides, and inside you have all these brushes. It's super, I don't want to open them because I will be putting this in the giveaway, but you have some for your eyebrows, for your cheeks, for your eyebrows, I mean for your eyelids and everything. It's super cute. It's nice because it's small, so you can travel with it no problem, and it keeps everything nice in here. So that one does retail, I don't know if I said it again, $49. So I will put this back in this little baggie right here and set that aside to put it in the giveaway. So stay tuned. All right, guys. Next thing I have here, I have something by the brand Billion Dollar Beauty, and this is called the Charcoal Beauty Sponge. Basically, it's a beauty sponge, and it provides the perfect application for liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. So I am going to go ahead and show you guys what this one looks like. And it just has like the B dollar sign here. It's very small. Okay, it's kind of dense. I mean, nothing crazy. Oh, you know what? Let me see if I can actually put on the same highlight that I have just to kind of see. Okay, I mean, it kind of blends it in very nicely. I just wanted to give it a shot because I've never tried this brand before, and as you can see, both of the Fenty highlighters did blend in pretty nicely. I mean, obviously, I'm pretty sure you probably have to wet this, but I just wanted to give it a try right there. If I didn't mention it already, it does retail at $15. Okay, moving on here, we have something by the brand 111 Skin, and this is the Rose Gold Brighten Facial Treatment Mask. This is actually a 5-pack, therefore it retails at $135. And basically what it says is that this one is supposed to just give you radiance, boosting, and glowing complexion. I have heard good things about this brand. I just know that it is pretty pricey. I'm just gonna go ahead and open to see what packaging actually looks like, but it's pretty simple. Oh no, guys, I think one of them is like broken, or I don't know. This is kind of wet. But anyway, yeah, so it's like the rose gold, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's definitely, the mask is in there. This is very sticky, which leads me to believe that one of these is definitely open or something like that. But anyway, I'm definitely going to keep these now for sure because I want to make sure that I don't give you guys anything that's opened or damaged. It's kind of weird. All right, and I believe last but not least, we have here something by the brand Kate Somerville. I have been trying some of her products lately, and I really, really do enjoy them. This one is an exfoliate intensive exfoliating treatment. It retails at $85. But anyway, it's supposed to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. Yeah, okay, we'll see. Anyway, this is basically exfoliates dull, dry surface skins, and it's supposed to reveal smoother, radiant, pore perfected skin. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. This is the packaging. And it's pretty simple. It's got like your white and yellow. It said you can use it in the AM or PM once or twice a week. Go ahead and see what it actually looks like. Oh wow, I actually thought that this was gonna be white. Let me put it on here, but it's not. It's green. Looks like green tea, like a, oh man, Doesn't smell that hot either. All right, it definitely has a medicinal smell. It smells like aloe vera with a menthol twist to it, and you can feel the slight little beads of the exfoliator, which is pretty nice. I've never seen a green exfoliator before, so I'm very curious to see what it feels like. I feel like this is gonna work very, very nicely though. I just kind of put it in my skin. How do I explain this? It's a little bit rough, but that's what an exfoliant is supposed to do. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited about trying that on. I did say it does retail $85, which is crazy, but you know what? It is what it is. So guys, I believe that is all that I have in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this up very, very quickly, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. After adding everything up, the total of the box comes out to $366, which is freaking awesome. Being that for the month you only pay $49.99, so it definitely exceeds that price. I'm gonna run through really quick what I got and my favorite ones. If I had to pick my number one choice, it's definitely this beautiful palette. I just don't want to keep it right now, but I absolutely love the palette. The colors, I think it's perfect for the fall. Next, I would definitely move forward with the Fenty highlight. I think I love all her products, and the highlights are just so beautiful, and I just love how pretty it is. Next, I would definitely go with the Milk product right here. I'm very happy with every product that I've tried on by them, so I definitely look forward to some more of those. This one is the next one on my list because I just think it's so beneficial and it's so nice that you can just travel with it. It keeps everything nice for you, so that's pretty dope. The Kate Somerville exfoliator, I do like her products. I feel like this product is going to work very well, so I think I'm definitely looking forward to this one. Moving on to the ones that I'm kind of like, all right, whatever, you know. The lip gloss, I'm not crazy about the color of it. I feel like, you know, going into the fall, they should give you like a little bit more variety, but it's still really, really pretty. It's just definitely not in the top ones. The blender, the beauty blender, I feel like, you know, I don't know, I don't really need any more beauty blenders, so that's why I'm kind of like whatever, but I guess you could never really have too many. And last but not least, although I feel like this should be my number one on the list because of the price point, I don't know, I feel like they've been giving these a lot in previous boxes like this type. I don't know if they just have like an overstock of them, and I don't like that one of them is like open, like clearly it burst or something, so it's really wet, so I think that kind of sucks. But anyway, I think overall it's a really, really good box. It is BoxyLuxe, so you have to think of it as a luxurious upgrade to BoxyCharm base box, which obviously it does. It gives you a little bit of variety of everything, but let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. If you do like this video or these types of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment in the comment box. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you don't want to see what you got in your box. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My number. No, I'm not giving you guys my number. My IG tag is right down here. It's Jesselyn_33. Like I said, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are all staying healthy, safe, blessed. Muchísimas gracias. Ciao.